Hey guys, my name is Mike, and today I'm going to be talking about my social media project. So my name was KwomGames, and basically it was definitely a passion project. It was based around video games and game consoles that I really enjoy, and also some TV series and things like that, but mostly just based around games. So my audience was typically college students. The majority were males, about for the posts that I've posted, I've seen about 70 to 75% males, and the ages were typically between 18 and 35 years old. So starting off, I had no followers, but these were the first two pictures that I posted. The first one was on the left, and the second on the right. And so the first picture got 38 likes, and then the second one got 34 likes. And I know it's kind of confusing, like, oh, if you didn't have any followers, I'd get that many likes. But something I used a lot were hashtags that helped me a ton. And not only that, but engaging with other people who use similar hashtags. But I'll talk about that more a bit later. And so, three things that I learned that helped a ton were the first one was current events matter, what's going on at the time. Another was that audience engagement matters, like what I said before, engaging with people in the hashtags. And also that design principles matter. At first, I thought of design principles that a lot of people on Instagram won't even know what the design principles are, but I think that kind of subconsciously they do, and they see pictures and they may not recognize the design principles, but they do recognize that it's a good photo. So standout examples, these two pictures were some that did really good, and it's because of the things that I learned. So the one on the left is a picture of, her name's Ahsoka, and she's from a TV show, and when I posted this picture, a new season of that TV show was starting. So, like I said earlier, that current events matter. And another thing that helped me a lot with this picture was just going out and liking and commenting on a lot of other people's pictures who posted similar things. The other one is of three games, and I posted this. It was actually also used as an ad, but I posted this during the time of when everyone's starting to stay inside in quarantine, and so that helped a lot. The current events of that one helped a lot too. And I'll talk about that more a bit right here. This one of my ads, like I said. And so that post, the first one, actually got 381 likes, 4 comments, over 4,200 impressions, and I only spent $8. The second one, which is on the bottom right, got 117 likes, 1 comment, over 1,000 impressions, and I only spent $6 on that one. So the top one did great. I think it was definitely because of what was going on at the time, and it's just a much better picture overall than the one on the bottom. So in conclusion, I ended up with 15 posts. I got 77 followers on Instagram. A really fun new hobby that I really enjoyed doing, and I met some really great people on Instagram that I keep interacting with and I talk to. So hope this helps you guys understand my brand a little bit more, and thanks.